Conversation 1.
What are you doing here?
What do you mean?
You're supposed to be at the office.
I thought I was supposed to be here.
No, they need you in the office.
Okay, got it. I'm on my way.
Conversation 2.
Hey, you're not supposed to eat on the train.
Oh, really? Since when?
Since forever.
Oops. What about drinking?
You're not supposed to do that either, but people do it anyway.
Okay, that's good to know.
Conversation 3.
What happened to you last night?
I got called into work.
Oh, last-minute meeting?
No, my friend was supposed to work, but he got sick.
Well, I hope you can make it next week.
I hope so, too.
Conversation 4.
What did the boss say at the meeting?
It's a secret. I'm not supposed to tell anyone.
Come on, you can tell me.
Okay, but it's a secret. We won't be launching our new product this year.
What? We were supposed to launch it this fall.
I know. Plans change. They decided to scrap it.